diverted to Riyadh Airport. We ask for your patience and kind understanding of the situation and recognize this cause.
We don't even know what's happened to him. We could have died. Anything, I've no idea. At the end of the day, it's more important that someone's life is more important than a delay. Do you know what I mean? So. We are officially on the way to India.
Am I going to be on YouTube later?
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Where are you flying to?
Delhi.
That's fine. Your flight's been delayed, so you need to go to one of the bar desks. So either go to this desk or go to that desk over there. Yeah.
Thank you. Flight has been delayed by an hour and a half standard, so I think we're going to go and try and have a little look at the lounges. I think I've not been to the lounges in this Terminal 2 before. I think they're upstairs. Hey, you right? I've just got that through Revolut. Is that the right place?
Yeah, we've got no availability till after 11 today, though, I'm afraid. It's subject to availability.
Ah, as if I've just bought it as well.
You can try Aspire Lounge downstairs by the B gates.
Right.
But just, I know it's no good today, but just for next time, always check first before you...
Oh, right, okay. Right, nice one. Well, that was an absolute waste of money. Just paid 24 quid to go in there, and I can't even get in there until after 11 o'clock, so it's just going to be pointless. Might just go in here instead. There's no bloody space in that place, but this airport is heaving. Absolutely heaving. There's another place here. We'll have to do it, I think, hopefully. Well, I ordered it at about 15 minutes past 9. The time is now 31. So it's been about 16 minutes and I'm still waiting. But we've got a nice little spot here. Finally got a table. We've got that to look at, departures. And then the Amber Ale House, which is extremely slow service. But it'll do. Flight is delayed. Oh, here we go. The sound are alright. Thank you very much. There we go. Finally arrived. Flight is at 12:50. It's now 9:30, so I might be able to go over to the other lounge that I've already paid for after 11 o'clock. Unless I had to book, I'm not sure. First pint down, and I thought I'd show you this belter. I bought this to go on the plane so I can sleep better. People are going to probably look at me very funny while I'm doing this, and you're probably thinking, what the fucking hell is it? But I'll show you now. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it back in properly. Yeah, you're probably still thinking, what is it? Well, I'll tell you now. This is the sickest thing I've ever bought. Tell me that is not sick. Look at that. Just chilling on that. But the only problem is now, I don't really know how to get it down and fold it back up properly. So that should be interesting. Push that in. The person on the plane next to me is going to be fuming. There we go. Smashed it. Anyway, we've ordered another pine seat. It's on its way. And I do apologise for my nose today because the last 3 or 4 days I've been very under the weather. Very, very under the weather. I've had man flu. Typical right before fucking India. But hopefully that means I might not get sick while I'm over there. So that's the most important thing. Anyway, I think that's all I'm going to show you for this airport because it just gets a bit boring, doesn't it? There's only so many pints I can sink in front of you before that gets boring too. I think the next time we talk on camera might well be when we arrive in Delhi. Hello.
You alright, mate?
You alright, thank you.
You have a lovely flight.
Thank you very much. Hello. That one, thank you. I don't know what's going on here, but they need like loads of doctors. What's going on? Somebody needs medical attention apparently, they're behind at the back. So I don't know if that means he's going to end up having to bloody land this plane. I don't know how serious it is. They're all here. We've got 5 doctors down here. What is going on? I think we might be having to stop the plane, I'm not too sure. But he's down the back there. Obviously I'm not going to show you because I don't want to be insensitive, but I think he's had a seizure maybe, so I'm not too sure what's going on, but guys just walked past me and told me to put my seatbelt on, so I don't know if he knows a bit more than I do. So I'm on the back row, and they come and asked us that we might have to move to near the front because they need him to lie down on this back row bit here. So we're not sure if we're going to be landing at another airport soon, but it's looking quite likely because the air hostess has just asked us to move. Not good.
Medical emergency of one of our passenger traveling with us on this flight. Our flight has now need to be diverted to Riyadh Airport. We ask for your patience and kind understanding of the situation and recognize this cause a huge inconvenience to us all. We will keep you advised and up to date as soon as we get further information. नमस्कार, हमारे एक यात्री को मेडिकल सहायता की आवश्यकता है.
Looks like we're stopping early. Yes, I don't know what that means. I don't know if we stop and then fly to Delhi after that, or do we stay over or what? This has never happened before, so I don't know.
We do have a problem with the passenger. He needs to go to the hospital. So we're stopping in Riyadh for a quick emergency, and then we should be on our way towards Delhi again. So just bear with us and we'll take care of its passengers. Thank you for your patience and understanding.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Well, we have finally arrived at Delhi Airport, out into the smog. I didn't realise how bad this fucking smog would actually be. When you land, you can't even see anything around you. It's mental. But yeah, I didn't film anything else on the plane when we were coming because it was a bit more carnage because there was quite a bit going on. Obviously, we had to land at that Riyadh airport, which wasn't great. Obviously, people were like moaning and stuff like that about being delayed and stuff, but at the end of the day, like we don't even know what's happened to him. We could have died at anything. I have no idea. At the end of the day, it's more important that someone's life is more important than a delay. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, it was. I just thought I'd be respectful and not film anything because it's not really what I'm about. I'd rather just not film anything than try and film just to get views. I'm not bothered about that. It's not really my thing. So, but yeah, here we are. Sorry for the doom and gloom, but we've arrived finally. And now the fun begins. We've got to try and find the hotel, get a Uber to the hotel. Oh, hello, matey. Just oh, matey over here. The KFC here as well. I'm not really hungry though, to be honest with you. I'm blooming knackered. We're about, what time is it now? The time is 17 minutes past 7. So we're about 5 or 6 hours delayed, I think. So yeah, I think we were supposed to arrive at about 2 o'clock. Yeah, so about 5.5 hours. I don't know what's going on here. Say again.
Cricket.
Doing some sightseeing, but mainly theme parks across the Ramoji as well. In Hyderabad, Bangalore as well. Only in Delhi for a few days.
50 days.
No, a few days in Delhi.
5 days.
3 days.
3 days.
Yeah. And then going to Hyderabad, then Bangalore, then Kochi, then Mumbai.
These sites in India Gate.
Yeah.
Qutub Minar.
Yeah.
Red Fort.
Worlds of Wonder's closed, isn't it?
What?
Worlds of Wonder.
Yes.
Yeah, that's closed. I was going to go there, but it's closed.
Road?
The amusement park.
Today sightseeing. You sightseeing Delhi?
Some. I got lots planned. Stopping in the middle of High Street, that's it. Look at all the pollution, bad. The pollution.
Yes.
All that pollution, bad. Crazy. Absolute carnage. 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so it looks like there's been an accident shock right here. arguing about it. That bus. Check that bus out. Oh, now we're moving a little bit. 7:29, oh, fucking madness. Look at the bus there. Hello, mateys. Look, you literally can't see anything around you. That's how bad the pollution is. It looks like fog, like really bad fog. But it might be fog. I don't actually know. I'm pretty sure it's pollution though. What is going on there, mate? Oh my god. Absolute crazy. It's just like I'm taking a detour. Alright, matey. Slightly overwhelming, can't lie. But we're ready to embrace it. Madness. Oh, it looks quite nice round here. Flipping it. Any barbershops? Oh, there's a nice barbershop there then. I can't wait to get my first head massage, I'll tell you that. Pearl Plaza, I think, yeah, it's around here somewhere.
Your hotel name?
Pearl Plaza.
Blue Plaza.
Pearl Plaza.
What?
Pearl Plaza. I think it's there. That's the one up there, I think. See ya? Pearl Plaza. See ya? Near where the bar live music is. Go on, son. Yeah, that's the one.
Yes.
See ya? See there? Yeah, that's the one there. Bang. To your right now. That one. Yeah, just pull over here, it's good. Thank you. There you go. 1,000. There you go. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad, bye.
Bye.
There we go. Lovely stuff.
Dhanyavad, namaste.
Yeah. All good, thank you. Cheers, mate. Oh, God. I get sweating in. Oh, here we go. Right, hotel is over here. Fucking mental, this place. It looks sick though, proper sick. Oh, flipping it, and I got run over. There's the hotel. The hotel does not look great on this street, but oh, there's a barber gap here. What's this? I don't know if it's even open, that. But yeah, there's the hotel. We're gonna go in now, so it won't be a second. Namaste. Flight was delayed. Supposed to check in early this morning.
So late flight.
Yeah, there was somebody had a emergency on the plane, so we had to stop at Riyadh, land the plane at Riyadh, and then go again. Emergency on the plane, so it wasn't good. I don't know if he was okay, but yeah, wasn't nice.
Aris Lama.
Yes, that's me.
Green tea one.
A tea?
Tea.
Yeah, go on, let's try a tea. It'll be my first tea in India ever.
You sit there, please. Green tea bana ke do. Chini ka wala pav le.
There we go, got the tea. First ever tea in India. Holy shit, it's hot.
Hello.
Black tea.
103 नहीं है, 105 और 102 का है. अब foreigner का है.
Lovely. Let's take a seat back down. Oh, burning me. It's probably good for my throat actually. You know, because I've not been well and all that. Oh, still waiting for the room. I don't know whether to have a nap or not. Because my body clock's all completely messed up. But we'll show you around the room. And then I'll probably have a little chill out for a little bit. I need to charge up some stuff. Upload this onto my laptop and that, and then head out for the next adventure, exploration, whatever. And there we have it, just like that we are finally in the hotel room. I'll give you a little look around. I mean, its first impressions look pretty decent. I mean, it doesn't look amazing, but see what you think. God, I'm going to be snivelling this whole time, I do apologise. But yeah, bed looks quite nice, TV. I could have sworn you get blooming like, on the pictures I seen they had like crisps and sweets and chocolate and everything out for you, but there's none of that here. bullshit, aren't they? Nice TV. Oh, they've got YouTube. Lovely stuff. A mirror. Oh, shower, which has got like a potty in it. I don't know what the fuck is going on here. What? Do you use that to wash yourself, do you? I mean, it's not in the best condition, obviously, but for £60 for 3 nights, even though I didn't stay here last night because of the delays. But yeah, I mean, let's see how comfy the bed is. Oh, blooming hell, it's rock hard. Oh, God. It'll do. I can sleep on a washing line, me, mate. Oh, fridge, bit dirty, but I'm not gonna lie, I think that they might have been cleaning this while I got in. That's why I was just sat downstairs for ages. Is there anything in it? No, nothing in it. I don't even know if it's plugged in, to be honest with you. I don't think it is. Glasses. Ooh. But overall, it's not too bad, really, for the price. So yeah, that is pretty much going to be the end of the vlog, to be honest. I need to sort myself out, have a blooming shower or something because I feel a bit trampy, and then head out and explore Delhi. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you as well, the airport taxi was 1,000. It said 600 on Uber, but I was just couldn't knock my arse finding where the Uber pickup and everything was, and he was there and he's just like, probably had me off a little bit, but I'm not really bothered. I think it was like 40 minutes, 19 kilometres. I don't know if that's good, I don't know if it's bad. Uber said 600, he was banging on about fucking 250 fares for this, 200 for that, so 1,000 it was. But he seemed to hand enough, and he engaged in a little bit of conversation, so it is what it is. £10, not really bothered about an extra £4. So let me know in the comments if I've been ripped off. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, appreciate you all, see you in the next one.